Ever opened your PC one day and realized your free storage has almost disappeared? Even though you haven't installed any games, downloaded movies, or copied large files? Imagine losing 200, 300, and even 500 gigabytes because of a single hidden Windows log file. It sounds unbelievable, but it's a real issue affecting some Windows 11 systems. In this video, I will show you how to find out if you are affected, remove the massive file safely, and stop it from happening again. So let's get started. Windows constantly records small pieces of information in the background, so different features keep working properly. One of those components is called Capability Access Manager. Its job is pretty simple. It manages permissions for apps that want access to things like your microphone, camera, location, and other privacy related features. Normally, it creates a temporary database log that stays very small. The problem is that certain Windows 11 versions contain a bug that prevents this log from cleaning itself up. Instead of shrinking after Windows finishing using it, the log keeps expanding over time. Eventually, it can become hundreds of gigabytes in size, silently filling your SSD without any warning. Before deleting anything, let's confirm whether this hidden log file is actually responsible. Open the Start menu. Now search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Now copy and paste this command exactly as shown on the screen. And then press Enter. Windows will scan the folder without changing any files. Now look for the file named capabilityaccessmanager.db-wal. If its size is only a few megabytes, the storage bug isn't causing your issue. But if you see gigabytes or even hundreds of gigabytes, then this is the actual reason behind the problem. Now let's verify where your missing storage went. Press Windows plus I to open the settings. Select System. Now open Storage. Expand the storage categories if needed. Now look at System and Reserved. If this number has grown unusually large or roughly matches the missing space on your drive, that's another strong sign this log files is responsible. Windows normally keep this file locked. That means you can't remove it during a regular boot. To unlock it, restart into safe mode. Hold the Shift key while clicking Restart from the Power menu. After the recovery screen appears, choose Troubleshoot. Then go to Advanced Options. Open Startup Settings. Now click on Restart. When Windows shows the startup choices, press 4 to enter safe mode. Your desktop will look different. That's completely normal. Once safe mode loads, press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. Now navigate to this location. Find the file ending with .db-wal. Right click it. Now choose delete. If unable to delete, then here's a certain tutorial for you. After it's removed, restart Windows normally. When Windows starts again, it automatically creates a brand new log file that's only a few megabytes in size. Your missing storage should return almost immediately. You can verify this by checking the storage page again. Deleting the log file solves today's problem, but if your PC still has the bug, the file can grow again later. To permanently prevent it, install Microsoft's update. Open Optional Updates. Look for update KB50950993 or latest build. Install it if it's available. Now restart your computer afterward. This update fixes the issue that prevents Windows from reducing the log file, stopping the storage leak from returning. Remember, keep Windows fully updated whenever possible. Check your storage settings every once in a while, especially if your available space suddenly starts dropping. And if you ever need to clean this issue again, delete only the .db-wal file. Never remove the entire Capability Access Manager folder. Windows needs that folder to function correctly. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.